Okay, we're going to solve absolute value x minus 4, and then minus 1 outside of the absolute value equals negative 4x. Now, the first step, a lot of people forget the first step. The first step is to isolate. We must isolate the radical first, or we're going to have a really big mess on our hands. So isolate absolute value first. I'm taking the trouble to write it because that's how important it is. Okay, let's do it. So that's going to give us absolute value of x minus 4. Now add 1 to both sides equals positive 1 minus 4x. Now we're going to eliminate the absolute value. The absolute value, the expression inside the absolute value is going to be x minus 4 without the absolute value is going to be equal to the positive of the other side, 1 minus 4x, union together with the stuff inside x minus 4 also equal to the negative of the stuff on the other side, 1 minus 4x. This is by the absolute value definition. Okay, so this one's pretty easy. We're going to add 4 to both sides. Add 4 under the like term. These cancel. We get x equal 1 plus 4 makes 5. See, we get 5 here. And then minus 4x. Now let's add 5x to both sides. to move this guy over. Plus 4x. Plus 4x. That gives me 5x equals, these cancel. 5, divide both sides by 5. And this gives me x equals 1. I'm going to go ahead and box that answer. Union that result together with the result I get here. Now here I have to distribute the negative sign. So I have x minus 4 equals negative 1. And then a positive 4x when I distribute the negative sign. Okay, so I'm going to move the numbers over to the right side and all the x's over to the left side. And I'll just show you the result of doing that. I've got x minus 4x gives me negative 3x. Bring down the equal sign. I've got negative 1 plus 4 gives me positive 3. Divide both sides by negative 3. I get x equals negative 1. I'll box that result. But you know what? When I check my answers, it turns out that this guy over here is bad. X equal 1 does not work. That's extraneous, so you throw that away. And this guy turns out to be the only answer. So important on these strange equations that you check your answers at the end and make sure that your answers are good before you keep them.